Hey guys, I'm Jonathan from BMW Gwinnett Place, and I'm going to be your genius today. Okay, so today what I'm going to be teaching you guys is how to reset the tire pressure monitor on the iDrive 7 and on the iDrive 6. So, in order to tell if you have the iDrive 7 or iDrive 6, this right here is what the iDrive 7 is, along with the Live Cockpit Pro. So, if you don't have this type of screen, then you most likely have the iDrive 6. So I'm at the media right now because that's what the orange is highlighting. So I want to go to car, so I'll just press on car. Then I'm going to go to vehicle status. Make sure your engine is running at this point because it won't do it unless the engine is running. Then you're going to go to tire pressure monitor, hit tire settings, and you have to be parked in order to perform the reset. And now what you'll have to do is you'll wait for a second, and then it'll ask you to drive off. Okay, so what we have over here is the iDrive 6. And you'll know if you have the iDrive 6 if you're able to scroll to the left and to the right with your main iDrive screen. So what you'll do to get to the tire pressure monitor on the iDrive 6 is you'll simply scroll to the right. Then you go to My Vehicle. Then you're going to scroll down to Vehicle Status. You usually start up at the top where Vehicle Settings is at, but in this case we went to Vehicle Status. Then usually you'll start off at the top where it says tire pressure monitor. If not, you'll simply press this button right over here. Then you're going to hit the tire setting, and then you're going to perform the reset. But in order to perform the reset, the vehicle must be on and it must be in the park position. So when you hit perform reset, it'll ask you to drive off so that it can calibrate the numbers for you.